naging tradition, yung pinapasa nyo, wala man lang nakasulat sa papel, parang tansya-tansya lang. Yung gano'n, wow, grabe ano na to, that's tradition. But let's be honest, not all traditions are also good. What am I talking about? We have this Pinoy tradition of believing in supernatural things, superstitious things. Like for instance, ano yung isang tradition? Pag nagwalis ka sa gabi, ano dapat mangyayari? Mawawala ang swerte. Narinig niyo na ba yun? Alam niyo, yung mga tradisyon na ito, nawawala na rin yan, ha? Nawawala yan sa mga Generation Z, baka hindi na nila narinig yan. That's one tradition. They believe that you should sleep at night. Nawawalis mo rin, pati yung biyaya. Pero hindi totoo yun, ha? Another superstitious belief na kapag ikaw, kumaka ka habang nagluluto, pag tumalon sa New Year, tatangkad ka daw. Sino ang tumalon every New Year? Tumatalon, taas ang kamay. Tignan nyo naman sila, ha? That's direct evidence na hindi mo totoo yun. Ako rin po, tumatalon ako dati, pero hindi naman ako lumaki. Another superstitious belief, sabi nila, pag kumanta daw habang nagluluto, magpapangasawa mo matanda. Pero alam nyo, nagkatotoo yan. Tanong nyo ko saan? One more time, saan? Alam niyo yung si cooks and waiters? Pakita nyo. Ayan, dahil nakakanta si ate, nakapagpakasawa ng matanda. Biro lang yan. Hindi po totoo yan, ha? Those are all traditions. And again, everybody saying traditions are good. They're good. Because they enrich our life, they teach us about who we are, who we were, and we appreciate, of course, our culture. But here's the thing. The reality is when we stick too much on traditions and we become legalistic about it, sometimes traditions no longer become a foundation, it becomes a prison. Let me explain. When you're someone who's so obsessed about keeping a tradition, not for anything, you love the tradition, you respect it, but when you're so obsessed about preserving that tradition, sometimes you miss out what the Lord is already doing. Let me give you an example. Last Grand Easter Feast. Sino sa inyo nag-Grand Easter Feast last time? Here. Alright. We had it in the Mall of Asia Arena. So after the retreat, there was an online buzz. There was a debate going on. And the topic online in threads was, where do you prefer to attend? Two choices. Parish, in church, or in a community like the feast. Let me tell you, people were so quick to jump into that conversation. Alam niyo naman nangyayari sa mga debate, no? My side versus their side. My point versus their point. So people